When business owners are thinking about getting involved in litigation over something that they're upset about, I always encourage them to think about the return on investment that they're going to get from the effort. And for business owners, it's pretty easy to understand. If you invest amount of money in something, you want to get something out of it. Business owners don't start a business without investing money, and they're investing money to get a return on what they're doing. A lawsuit is no different. You are going, as a business owner, to invest time, money, and effort into any lawsuit that you choose to pursue. And although our legal system is the greatest legal system ever created, one of its limitations is that it's not a time machine. We can't go back in time and undo the thing that has upset the business owner in creating the lawsuit. So the only thing the legal system can do is really deliver an award of damages to the business owner for the claim. And that's if the person who's responsible for the judgment can actually pay the judgment itself. So you have a limited recovery of dollars at the end of a case, and that's if the party can pay it. So you have to think about that up front. And you have to think about what is going to require you to spend to get to that point. When it's going to cost you more to get to a judgment than you can ever recover, you're not going to want to pursue that lawsuit. Or you might want to pursue it in a way that's not full-blown litigation. Something short of a fully aggressive effort might be in order. And also importantly for business owners, you might start litigation thinking that your return on investment calculus is great. I've got $1 million claim. I think it's going to cost me $50,000 of attorney's fees to go after this. I'm going to go after this claim. And then somewhere in the middle of the case, that analysis changes. Maybe a star witness is not the star witness you were expecting to have. Maybe the other side surfaces some document that you weren't aware of that really damages your case, and instead of being able to recover $1 million, you're now looking at recovering $50,000, and you've already spent $50,000 on the case. Well, at that point, you need to reassess your return on investment analysis and decide whether you're going to continue the litigation based on what does your ROI picture look like from that point forward. So whenever I advise businesses on whether or not I think they should be pursuing litigation, I always ask them, what do you think your return on investment is going to be? And whenever a business owner says to me, I don't care, this is about principle, it's not about the money, it's about my principles, I always tell them, that's great so long as you understand that litigating with somebody over your principles that ends P-L-E-S is going to cost you principal P-A-L. So only my clients can decide for themselves whether they want to spend money to pursue some kind of something other than a money judgment. I try to focus my clients on the fact that you're only going to be able to recover a money judgment in most cases. You're going to spend some money to get there. Is this a positive investment for you? If not, let's think about things other than a lawsuit to try to address the concern that you have.